Today I'm gonna show you how to replace spark plugs in your vehicle. So let's get started. Here's my Volkswagen Passat B6 1.8 TSI 4-cylinder engine. First of all, remove the engine cover. You will see the ignition coils here, cylinder 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you need to remove the electrical connector. Push gently. Now it's time to remove the ignition coils. You just need to pull that out. Use 16mm spark plug socket with the extension. Put that in and then screw it. You might look at the old spark plugs. Not sure if you can see the difference. So here's my new spark plugs. Put the new spark plug in. Tighten it. Reinstall the ignition coil. After finishing cylinder 1, well actually it's cylinder 2, then move to the another one. Same procedure. Reinstall the ignition coil. Start the engine, make sure everything is alright. You don't want to see any vibration. And it's done. Thank you for watching.